Hello everyone, this is Suresh from Azure ADB. Today our topic is how to find new records by comparing target table and your input CSV file. So our scenario is like I have one target table with full load in my dev or EAT environment. Now I want to insert only new records from whatever I got from new data set, like format like .csv file, by comparing with existing target table. So that means I have one target table already. Okay, in that table, I already did full load. Okay, so assume that I have some 100 records. So now I got one more CSV. So business team given that CSV to check and compare and give me the only new records in that CSV. So that means in target folder already 100 records is there. Now you got one CSV and you assume that in that some 150 records are there. So that 150 records may be some common records if you compare with the target table. That means same records, some records will be there. And apart from that, some new records also will be there. So they want to know, so how many records are new in that CSV file. So that is our scenario. So to resolve this scenario, so I have different approaches. So first I will try to explain about my first approach. So in first approach, what I am doing, I am creating one table. Okay, so we have target table. Now first we have already target table. So for creating that target table, I am using create or replace table and I given table name and as, and I am doing select star from read underscore files. Okay, I am using this read underscore files function and I am mentioning path and format as CSV, header equal to true, mode is fail fast. So if you want more information about read underscore files, I already made one video on this. You can go through that video. So if I run this, what will happen? This table will get create and uh, by reading this CSV file. And if you see here, see number of rows affected and number of rows inserted, these relevant data types. So how to view this data, this now this target table. So I'm using select star from full load table. So that means this one. So whatever I created table, no? So that I'm reading here. See whatever I have. This is my target table. Okay. So if you see these relevant data types, and you can observe these many columns I have. Okay. And in this I have 50 rows. So now situation is I created one target table and that having 50 rows. So next what I'm doing, now my input file came now. So this is my new input file. Okay. So that file I am reading here. So here view I'm creating for second CSV file, means our input file. So create or replace temp view and view name is this as select star from I'm using read underscore files and my CSV path is this one, new load.csv, format is CSV, header true, mode fail fast. So my view is got created after running this one, and this one I am retrieving here select star from this view. Okay, so now this is my new data. So this how many I have? I have 80 rows. So already in target I have 50 rows and my new CSV has 80 rows. Now I have to compare this view with the target table and I want to retrieve only new records. New records. First, I need to compare both the target table and this view. First, I want to retrieve how many new records is there. That only new records I want to insert into this target table. Okay. So now what I did, I created one target table, and I I read this our input CSV file, and I created view for this. Now what I'm going to do is, so we want to insert only new records, no? So I used insert into, this is my target table, that is this one. Okay. First we created, no, this one, target table. So insert into this target table. Okay. So from where we need to fill data, select star from incremental load view, and I given alias. What is this view? This is our CSV file. On top of CSV file, I created this view, no, this one. So from this view, I want to insert data to this target table, but what is the condition? Where not exist, not exist, select star from full load table. So that means it has to compare with target table, and whatever new records is there, no? So common records it will forget, and whatever new records is there, that it will flow to this target table. And I given condition where uh, from this table, no, from target table, customer ID, and from this is view, our new CSV view from this customer underscore ID column, and from this one customer ID column. And if you see here that customer ID, this one. Okay, so what it does is it compare this CSV file of customer ID and our target table of customer ID. So it will compare each and every row. If any new value is found, then it will identify. If you observe here, all starting with 20 and 68 maximum value, you can see 68. And if you see here, and if you see in this customer ID, and see if you observe here, see 100, see from 100 to, see these many records are new. Okay, so these records we don't have in target table. So it will compare, and it finds that these rows are new, and these rows it will insert into this target table. So how many are there? We have like that 30 rows. Okay, 30 new rows are there. So these 30 rows it will insert into this our target table. So that means this one, no, target table we created first. How many we have in this first? 50 rows. Now after inserting this, see now inserted, no? So how many rows inserted? 30. If you try to call this target table one more time, select star from this target table, and if you see records, 80. So that means initially 50 records was there, and whatever 30 new records it found, no, it inserted into this table. So this is first method. So first method, what I did, I used this read underscore files function. In second method, we'll see how we can do in other way. I am using our regular method spark.read.csv. Okay, and I'm trying to show only first 10, and I want to know how many records in this CSV file. Okay, in this target folder. So I given count. See, this is my records. Since I limited to 10, is showing 10 rows, and actual level records are The number of rows are 50. Okay, and later what I'm doing, I'm creating one temp view. This is my data frame, this data frame, and top of that I'm creating create or replace temp view, and my name is this one init underscore load underscore view. So later I can use this spark.sql select star from this view. Okay, so I can able to display this particular view in tabular format. See, we have 50 rows in this. Next, what I'm doing, I'm trying to create table. Okay, this is my table name. From where? From this view. So here we created view, no? So this view, by using that view, I'm creating table, because first we want to create target table, no? So view, we cannot insert records. Okay, so this is just a data frame. So first I read data frame, then created view. On top of that, I created target table. Okay, so and now target table is created. Next, what I will do, we have input CSV file. So that I'm reading here, new load.csv limiting, and I want to know how many records in this my new CSV file. So since I limited to 10 rows, it's showing 10, but actually total, it has total 80 records. So next, what I'm doing, I'm creating view on top of this data frame, and I'm trying to retrieve, show this in tabular format using spark.sql inside select star from this view. So it displaying this whatever we have new CSV, no, that one. Okay, in this we have total 80 rows. So next, on top of this, I'm creating one more table, create or replace table. Okay, table name is this one. From where? From this view. From this view, I created one more table. So now total we have two tables. One is for target table. Second one is for our CSV file. So next, what I'm doing, I'm doing insert into target load table. So we create a target table, that one. And so earlier we are not mentioned this columns and all. Okay, so here I am typing column names. So select, so in target table, no, so how many columns are there? I am mentioning manually from new load table. So new load table is, see, data I want to insert to this target table. From where? From this table, new underscore load. New underscore load means this one. So whatever CSV I read now, the table created on top of new CSV. So from there, that is new load table. So from this table, I want to insert into this target table, but condition is where not exist, select star from target table. Okay, target table here where condition is this one. So our target table dot customer underscore ID. Next, our CSV file table is there, no? That one dot customer ID. So as I explained earlier, no, see it compares and it will return only new records. So that is 30 records. Okay, so this is about the second method. Third approach is, see, I'm using read underscore files again for creating target table, and this target table you can view by using select star from target table, and we have 50 rows in this. And second, I'm doing insert into this target table, insert into this target table. See, earlier I'm not mentioned these columns. Okay, in this target table columns I'm not mentioned earlier. So now I'm mentioning here. Next, I've created one with function. Okay, so with, and that name is new underscore load as. So inside that, I'm mentioning this one, read underscore files. So after that, I'm using select and this many columns from new load. New load means this one from with function. Okay, so up to here, what is the meaning is? What is the meaning is first it reading CSV file. Okay, new CSV file it reading by using read underscore files. Since I used with function new underscore load, that CSV file data frame, it will store in this new underscore load function. Okay, so this one, whatever is stored no here in this with new underscore load, that I am selecting those columns. New underscore load, it has this many columns. I am selecting this. Okay, up to here, this one, from here to here, that one. So from this CSV new underscore load, this many columns, I want to insert into this target table. So target table also I mentioned column names. Okay, so you can follow either of the method, either this one or that one. So whichever you feel comfortable. And this where condition is same. So where not exist, select star from target table, and where condition uh, given for primary keys. So from target table, customer underscore ID, and from CSV file table, customer underscore ID. So how many records are new? 30. Okay, so and you can view this target table, select star from target table. Now you will see total 80 rows. Okay, so these are all the three different approaches to overcome this scenario. So if you really like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.